see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on this lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue lotion slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is also remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments right down below. Give me some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make no glue lotion slime. And this is a whole new updated recipe from anything you have ever seen before on my channel. So I'm really excited to show you guys this recipe today. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is lotion. So I have so many different types of lotions. I have this one by Hemp's. Hemp's is a really good brand to use. I also have Bath & Body Works. This one smells absolutely amazing. If it can focus, Santa's Blueberry Shortcake. This one smells so good. And I also have a few of these Ariana Grande mini ones I got from Walgreens. These ones smell amazing too. So you can use any type of lotion for this. I just have these over here. And I'll probably pick the one I want to choose when I get making it. You guys will also need any type of thick soap. I got this soft soap. It's like a Christmassy one. Look how pretty it is. It's like limited edition. I got it from Walmart and it smells so good. So I'm excited to use this. This is just like a soft soap body wash. So I'll be using that. You guys will also need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. Also optional, you can use food coloring. I have this one and I think I will be using a blue one for this video. So I'm first going to get out my bowler plate and I'm going to get out my soft soap. So I'm going to add this into the bowl. It smells so good. I can't even. This is probably one of my favorite brands of no glue slime soap to use. You can see it's super thick. Ooh, it's kind of pretty. And look how thick it is just from mixing it up. Look, it's not even sticking to me. It's already a really thick soap, so I already know this is going to work amazing. So I have that out right there. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like peppermint. I can't even with this. It just smells amazing. And I think I'm actually going to use the Santa's Blueberry Shortcake for this one. And you're just going to need to add as much as in here as you want. That looks like enough, and I love this one. You can actually get this off of Amazon. I'm not sure if they sell this anymore in the actual store. My auntie actually had one of these, and I went to her house and smelt it, and it smells amazing. I can't even with the smell. And you're just going to get it mixing. And that's enough mixing. And look how cute my mixing tool is. It's like a little popsicle, but it got like bit off, which is so cute. And now I'm going to put this into the refrigerator with an airtight container lid on it, just like that. And this will be in the refrigerator now for about an hour to 2 hours, every 30 minutes for 30 minutes increments. Is that how you say increments? I don't know how to say it, but I'm going to take it out, mix it up, and see how it's doing. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay guys, so it's been about 2 hours, and I never show my face on my channel, so I thought I would today, and here it is. It's in here, and here's a lotion I used as well. It's just the Santa's Blueberry Shortcake, and I'm going to take it out and see how it looks. And ooh, it smells so good. It smells like peppermint. This made really cool lotion. It's a little sticky, I'll say that. Yeah, it's really sticky, but here's how it turned out. Yeah, it's kind of sticky. Here's the slime more up close. You can see it's kind of sticky, but it made really awesome lotion slime. I did add more lotion in as well. Like, I think it was like after an hour I saw it wasn't really doing that much. Not lotion. I had more of the soap right here, which is the soft soap one, and that's my dog, I'm so sorry. But it made really awesome slime, and this turned out amazing. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I'm gonna show more of the slime on my Instagram, but here it is. Ooh, it's like bubbly. It's It's really awesome. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. If you want to make this slime, this is all I used, and it made really awesome slime. So yeah, also remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments right down below. Give me some video ideas. And if you guys like this video, please leave a like. I love you guys so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no video ideas. Bye!